Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Yeah, I miss you guys. I haven't been on this part of YouTube for a very long time since I cut off my hair. Or I did that, yeah, since I cut off my hair. But I am back. My hair has grown a little bit longer. It's been, I think, 4 months now. I did cut my hair in the beginning of November. So November, December, January, February. Yeah, exactly 4 months now, and it has grown, not as fast as I wanted, but it has grown. And yeah, I did, some of you did recommend that I go see a dermatologist because of my problems with my hair and my scalp, which I did, and it turned out that I have eczema on my head, on my scalp. So I've always had like little eczema spots around my body that will just come and disappear. I wasn't sure if it was like allergies or whatever, but I've always had like those little patches that will just show up and disappear, sometimes from stress and sometimes just, yeah, mostly stress. And if you've been watching my hair videos for the last 2 years, I've always complained about this area, like the middle part here being so itchy. And this is where my hair always starts breaking. And yeah, now I just found out that this is where I have most of the scaling, like the eczema. And I've been using some medication that is helping with irritation and inflammation, and yeah, just a lot. But one thing that's for sure is I am not going to be putting any chemicals or no relaxers anytime soon. I don't know in future if this condition does improve or does change, but for now I'm just going to be a natural girly. And yeah, so I'm fine with that. Not really how I like to wear my hair, but I'm fine with that. I'm gonna treat it well, and hopefully in the future I can go back to my pixie days. But for now, we're gonna stay like this. And I am tired of looking like a boy. My daughter even says I look like her friend Neewer from school. So today I'm gonna attempt to start braiding this hair. I feel like it's ready. So I'm gonna do like this kind of braids. Like, so this is the hair that I have. I don't remember where I got it from. I've had this probably for like a year or more. And it's called Flower Wave, and it's a six pack in here. Hopefully this will be enough. It does say it's a 1 pack solution, so hopefully this will be enough to finish my head. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing like one of these hairstyles where you literally just braid up to your hair, because just imagine braiding this hair and making like long braids that will take me like a week. So hopefully this will be done in like a couple of days or 3 days. This is in a color number 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and start at the back, and then I'll keep you guys updated, and then maybe we'll finish the front together. Hi guys, so I forgot to turn on my mic, but here is how the hair is looking. I'm left with this little piece in the front, but as you can see, it's really full. I have lots of hair on my head for the first time in a while, and I'm absolutely loving it, but it is a lot. But as you can see, this is how far the hair is looking. So now I'm just gonna do the front here to show you guys how I've been doing my hair. But basically I'm just doing like a 3-strand braid, starting by parting my hair, and I'm not really doing any like formal parting. I'm just grabbing enough to braid and making sure it's clean on the side just by twisting my little short hair to try separate it from the rest. And then once I'm done with that, I'm grabbing some of the braiding hair and just do like a twist, and then start braiding immediately and start separating the hair into 3 strands instead of 2, and just continue to braid that like past my hair and tie. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm going to show you guys again on the second one, and then after that I'll just continue braiding my hair until I'm done.
Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger. This a G5, no, this not a challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge. Get cold seats, they some cannibals. Eaters. They like to geek. Drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she say she sitting pretty. I go in the jungle and ain't got a coat. I bet I come out with a mean. Do this shit fun. Me go gunners out the jump. Me buy it all, fuck a front. Fuck nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gone, chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take 3 vibe to the tropics. Nigga one shit. I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick, nigga made one wrong move, just pop it. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby. It's crowded. Diamonds be dancing like Bobby. They dance. Don't touch a dick like it be cocky. Don't touch it. Shroom and GC the party. We get it. Bitches gon' trend on the top. Keep trending. The way I pull up, I'ma pop it and none of these niggas gon' stop me. Pull up. Gone. Put this shit on, get a cup for the drip on my motherfucking 5. Keep low. Keep stacking your bank and get bigger. Never would. I throw some shade on no nigga. Don't take. Little nigga don't play with these niggas. I see the bitch picture. We up on these niggas. The huncho, the one you gon' call on me, nigga. I got your back, you gon' follow me, nigga. When I get up, we gon' ball on these niggas. Fucking shit up, cause we beat out the system. Water on me like the sun. Some carrots, some pointers. All these commas, I want fun. Me go gunners out the jump. Me buy it all, fuck a front. Fuck nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gone, chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take 3 vibe to the tropics. Nigga one shit, I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick, nigga made one wrong move, just pop it. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this drunk. You know you're nasty. Over out of my house, try to taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to sell this drug. You so in love, you ain't gon' tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. Feel a bit too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all, yeah. Feel a bit sky. Up all night just dancing. Oh, I hit you like, please come home to me. But you're not understanding. No, baby, please, please. Wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. I just figured you could make time for me. Since you coming home intoxicated. Picture me rolling through downtown in the A4. Picture my signature on a pair of some J4s. Picture me caring what niggas saying on Wi-Fi they don't pay for. Knew I needed love, but I think I value the hate more. To push towards things that I pray for. Retrograde energy shifts to what I was made for. Don't you dare hit me back with no case sure.
So I am back, and this is the final look. This is how the hair is looking, and I just realized that I filmed that whole last part of me finishing my hair here with my mic off. I didn't turn on my mic, and yeah, I'm just gonna have to do like some voiceover. Anyways, this is the final look. This is how it's looking. I just did like a little half up, half down, just to take some of it off my face because there's a lot of hair. But anyways, this is the final look. This is how the hair is looking. This is the back, and here's the other side. I really like it. I think I'm gonna get used to it, and I hope that it does dial down the volume, and it does have like minimal tangling. I'm not brushing it, I'm just like finger combing it. But so far in the last, I would say 24 hours, I haven't lost one braid. So they're still, all of them, they're still intact, which is good, especially for like short hair. I know I'm gonna lose a lot, which okay, the volume would help, but I definitely know I'm gonna lose a lot of them in the next couple of days. But so far so good. I love it. I'm just kind of like worried how am I gonna tie this when I go for my runs, but we'll make it work. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.